OnePlus Nord 12GB price in Pakistan. OnePlus Nord 12GB price in Pakistan is Rs. 87,899. Official dealers and warranty providers regulate the retail price of OnePlus mobile products in official warranty. Price of OnePlus Nord 12GB in Pakistan is Rs. 87,899. Price of OnePlus in USD is $269. OnePlus Nord 12GB, a flagship device, is on its way. OnePlus has launched a new Nord 12GB variant to the market. The best smartphone company OnePlus is working on a new handset. The leakers said it will be the flagship device of the company. The smartphone has a premium design, with perfect finishes, endless edges, and flawless manufacture in aluminum and glass. Let's see what we have in OnePlus Nord 12GB. The smartphone got a chipset of Qualcomm SM7250 Snapdragon 765G 5G, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this handset has a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor inside the OnePlus's Nord 12GB to make the device ultra-fast. And also there is a GPU of Adreno 620 under the hood of this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.44 inches, and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The new OnePlus Nord 12GB is having a fluid AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. The smartphone is using Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection purposes. This handset Nord 12GB by OnePlus will be paired with a gigantic RAM capacity of 12GB. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the device show that it will enable the user to execute things with this smartphone within seconds. The internal storage capacity of the OnePlus 12GB is 256GB, that is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a quad camera setup. The main sensor of the OnePlus Nord's 12GB will be 48 megapixels, 8 megapixels along with 5 megapixels, 2 megapixels. There is a dual selfie shooter in this smartphone, 32 megapixels, 8 megapixels to make taking selfies more easy and attractive. The device is having an under-display, optical fingerprint reader to secure the data on the OnePlus Nord 12GB and only allows the authorized person. The device will be fueled with a non-removable LiPo 4115 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging. Samsung and other tech giants will face serious competition when the coming Nord 12GBs will